I feel like there's nothing worse than working at a salon and the leader not having behavioral predictability, and essentially the team is walking on eggshells. Hello and welcome to the Elevate podcast. I'm your host, Patricia Nowakowski. I'm a salon owner, educator, mindset, and leadership coach that helps salon owners go from overwhelmed and burnt out to motivated and empowered. It is my mission to help you systemize your business, generate more profit, and create a career that you love. Join us every week to learn about the small shifts you can make to elevate your business regarding mindset, marketing, social media, business systems, and so much more. In today's episode, we're going to talk about behavioral predictability. I think one of the biggest assets you can have is working on your leadership and building trust with your team. And I think one of the biggest breakdowns of trust inside of your business is the lack of behavioral predictability. This is something that I've been working on with my one-on-one students. We've been talking about how to really build your leadership skills, because leadership it's something that you grow. It's not something that somebody is born with. And behavioral predictability is something that is so imperative to have strong leadership. I think this is something that coincides with something that we cover all the time at Destroy the Hairdresser, which is working on your reactivity. And as a leader, understanding and growing your reactivity is one of those things that's going to help grow your behavioral predictability. Now, when we're growing our leadership, there are 4 main components that really build and really grow and are important for your leadership. And one of those things is trust and also stability. And behavioral predictability is something that is a part of both of these things. So I'm going to start off with a quote that I saw on the internet, and I think is really powerful that you should all hear. If a leader's behavior is consistent, people on their team will experience tremendous freedom. I feel that quote so much because I feel like there's nothing worse than working at a salon and the leader not having behavioral predictability, and essentially the team is walking on eggshells, not knowing what they're going to get for the day. They're afraid to go to the salon owner with problems, issues, to troubleshoot, because they don't know how the actual owner is going to react. We have to understand that our team does not want our behavior to surprise them every single day. And a great leader's behavior is always predictable and consistent. So what does predictable mean? Predictability, and especially behavioral predictability, is the action of not being driven by sudden emotions to make major decisions. Somebody also who has behavioral predictability remains consistent no matter what the situation is or the time is. Behavioral predictability is also a person who is not affected by external politics, external pressures, or external outcomes that are out of their control. Wondering how I keep my business systemized? It's all thanks to Kajabi. Kajabi is a versatile platform that allows me to keep everything in one place, like my website, courses, forms, email marketing, my podcast, and so much more. It's easily mine and my team's favorite software for salon owners. To try Kajabi for yourself for 30 days, visit the link in the show notes. So let's not confuse behavioral predictability with changing your business, right? We have to make changes in our business to grow. We have to refine and make changes to make our systems and our strategies better. Behavioral predictability is all about the way that we respond to our team when they're coming to us, and the way we respond to hard times in our business, the way we respond to situations that are not ideal inside of the business. So why is behavioral predictability important? So our team feels comfortable coming to us to inform us of things that are going on inside of our business, mistakes that they've made, problems that they're having. These are all reasons why our team should be comfortable coming to us, and behavioral predictability is one of those things that's going to make that happen. Behavioral predictability isn't always about the reactive behavior that can happen when things happen inside of our business or when our team makes mistakes. Behavioral predictability is also important to helping our team grow and also helping our team to keep them motivated and going. When our team knows the outcome for their positive behavior, and that positive reinforcement is consistent, then it continues with positive behaviors inside of our business because our team knows what to expect when they're doing what they need to do and when they're going above and beyond. So for example, one of the things that we do inside of my business is we have $5 Starbucks gift cards, and anytime somebody goes above and beyond and goes to the next level without having to be coached or pushed, and they take the initiative on their own, we give a $5 gift certificate. And this is something that keeps those positive things and those positive behaviors going because people know if I go above and beyond, I'm going to get rewarded. So behavioral predictability on that end of the business is also very, very, very important. Predictability often becomes one of the most overlooked factors when it comes to leadership. And we have to remember that predictability accelerates the productivity of each one of our team members. And a team led by a leader who is predictable and consistent will create one of the best performing teams inside of their business. I hope today's short, sweet, and to the point episode was beneficial for you. Where as a leader are you not predictable? Where as a leader are you not showing up for your team? Where as a leader can you be more consistent with reinforcing positive behaviors? This is what I'm going to challenge you to do this week, is to take a deep dive and a hard look at all of the areas in behavioral predictability where you can grow. Do you act annoyed when your team comes to you with a question? Do you act reactively when somebody comes to you when they've made a mistake? Are you not being consistent with rewarding your team for their excellent behavior? I want you to take a deep dive and see where you can grow and where you can start transforming your behavioral predictability so you can become the best leader you can inside of your business.